Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Online Income. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to fund your Memefi wallet. We are all aware that the listing date has been announced, which is end of this month, and if you have not found your wallet, watch this video to do so in order to receive your coin. The criteria to receive coin has also been announced, but the wallet funding has been announced earlier before now. So I believe it's one of the criteria. If you don't have any money in your wallet, you might likely not to receive your coin. So you better do it now that we are close to the listing date. So for us to, let me demonstrate how to fund your wallet. So in this wallet I'm using, this one has been funded, but I'm going to fund someone else's wallet. So let's go to wallet. When you click wallet, okay, you click Ether. Okay, either you click deposit. In this wallet I have 2.05 worth of Ether, equivalent of $2. So when you click wallet, either you click deposit or you click this place. So when you click any of the places, you go to deposit. You see deposit here. It will bring you to where you click deposit. Click deposit and copy your wallet address. When you copy your wallet address, let's go to, okay, I've gone back to, nevertheless, let's go to our exchange account. We are going to transfer the Ether we have in our exchange to this place. So equivalent of $2 and above is enough. But if you don't have $2, you can, if it is 1 point something, you can still do it. Now let's go to our exchange. I'm going to use a Biget. No, I'm using Bybit, not Biget, to do the transaction. So if you don't have USDT in your Bybit, you need to go to P2P, buy equivalent of $2 or more, and transfer to your Memefi wallet. And when you are transferring to your Memefi wallet, you are going to use a linear protocol network to do the transfer. Now I have Ether in my Bybit, so let me do it quickly. I'll click withdraw. So when you click withdraw, you paste the address, the Memefi wallet address, into this place. Select the network which you are using to transfer the money. So I'm going to use, see, if you use a ERC20, you will pay about $3.93. So we are going to use linear, this last one here, linear network. So the fee we are paying is very small, minimal, about 0.00002 Ether. Now we select the amount. I am taking all. I will click maximum. So what I will receive in the Memefi wallet is 0.0013. That will give me close to $2. So once you are set, you click withdraw. Good. Click confirm. Now go to your email verification. They will send you a code. You copy it from your email. I will click get code. You click here to get the code. Let me show you. You have to click it. You tap here, click get code. Now go to my email to copy the code. Let me open my email ID. Here is it. Here is the code. I have copied it. Let's go back. I'll paste it here. Okay. We need a Google authentication. If you did not have the Google authentication on your exchange account, you can click confirm and the transaction will go on. But if you have Google authentication, you go and copy the code. Let me go and copy the code for the Google authentication. Bybit. I have Bybit here. This is the code 357428. I hope it will go. 357428. Let's go. Oh, it has expired. Let me go back and copy it again. 800231. Okay. Let me quickly do this one. You have to be fast here. 231. Because it expired easily. Okay. The withdrawal has been successful. So this is what to do. I cannot confirm the withdrawal in the account now because I'm sending it to a different account, but you can see the withdrawal was successful. If I go to withdraw again, you'll see that the Ether is no more here. It means the money has been sent. So I will need to call the person to confirm if he has received the money he has seen the money in his wallet. So this is how easy to transfer your Ether to your Memefi wallet.